Welcome to JH. Recently, I stumbled across freecharitycars.org, a nonprofit platform that claims to provide free vehicles to low-income individuals and families. The idea is to help people get to work or school and generally improve their lives through vehicle donations, rather than relying on a bus schedule that's usually more of a suggestion than a timeline. Of course, the internet's first instinct is to scream, scam. So let's see if this is actually legit. The first good sign is their Facebook reviews, where people actually seem to like them. Most users are busy sharing how the service genuinely helped them, which is a refreshing change of pace for a platform usually reserved for shouting into the void. A small word of caution, though, some users mention the page is strictly for car donations, not financial investments. If you're looking for get-rich-quick crypto advice in the comments section of a car charity, you probably have bigger problems than your commute. The second positive is their history, with the site dating all the way back to 2009. That's over a decade online, making this organization older than most of the memes on your phone and suggesting a level of stability you just don't get from a fly-by-night operation. Their social media presence is also quite impressive, boasting over 20,000 followers who actually engage with the posts. It turns out they're reaching real humans, not just a collection of bots in a digital ghost town. Thirdly, their projects are surprisingly well organized under the original 1-800-CHARITY CARS banner, with specific sites for donating, receiving, and processing. They claim 100% of direct net proceeds go to the donor's chosen charity, which is a level of transparency that's almost suspicious in this day and age. Finally, they provide multiple contact numbers and physical addresses. It's always reassuring when an organization is easy to reach and isn't operating out of a mysterious basement in an undisclosed location. So, is freecharitycars.org legit? Based on the mountain of positive reviews, their ancient website history, and the fact that they actually answer the phone, it seems like a trustworthy nonprofit that's genuinely trying to help. It's a miracle, a corner of the internet that isn't a total dumpster fire. Thanks for sticking around until the end.